We are talking today about celebrity bad advice. Poor President Trump, well, not poor President Trump, he's like our former president, whatever. But anyway, they raided his house, and we don't know what that's all about. Me personally, I think it's because Trump keeps Trump in the tax system. And so they're like, look, let's just go knock on his door so y'all could know that, we're not for playing with. Y'all need to get it right, okay? He paid $750 in taxes. And it was like all the accountants were talking about it. All the business owners were talking about it. Whether you like Trump or whether you don't like Trump, Mr. Trump legally paid only $750 in taxes. And my conclusion about the matter is that it's simply because he has a great accountant. Not a good accountant, but a great accountant.